Okay, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and my name is Dong Qi. You can call me Forrester, an easy way to call. And this is the first time I've been in Australia. Sorry, it's the first time I've been Brazil. I've been in Australia for a long time. I've been there to work and live, sorry. And I miss Australia. And as a product manager in Inspire, I'm looking after for the overseas project and overseas the marketing as well. So today I will give you the presentation about the Inspire and the Inspire innovation. So thanks for the HPC Advisory Council to set this time for me just after the break. You got some power, energy. I will refresh your mind just like Inspire. I don't think everyone know about Inspire. Probably someone knows it's like IT vendors, but we are not only the sell some of the parts and the hardware. So we are entirely totally the IT solution company and involved in the HPC area for over 10 years. Do the over 300 projects that cover more than 10 application area. So I will give you the brief idea for what Inspire it is and what we've done. Sorry, and for the we face the HPC challenge from the petascale to exascale. And Inspire, definitely we got the specific strategy for that. And next we will share some of the HPC cases we done. And the next is Inspire contribution to the HPC community. We are not only commercial company, we are focused on the education. We successfully hold the ASA Student Supercomputer Challenge 13 and 14th. I think University of St. Paul joined this challenge and got a good result. And also we published the first HPC books in China. Also we translated into English version. If you want, we can send all you guys later. And next is HPC international strategy. That's the reason I'm being here to extend our branding. We try to become, to catch up with Cream and catch up with IBM in the world. And the last one is HPC cooperation plan. We got a specific plan to work with not only the commercial company, but also the institute and the university. Okay. So briefly give you an idea of the company's history. Probably we grew up with the same IT development in China. So at the beginning, we involved the high technology in China, and also we created the first PCs of China. At the next age, we developed the first servers in China as well. So now we move into the cloud computer and HPC area. So you can see that from the bar chart, our revenue grows dramatically, and we got over 10,000 staff. Our Inspire group have 3 different companies: Inspire Software, Inspire Information, and Inspire International. And they are all shared market. If you like, you can check it out. Next, this is our different park. And one patient I want you to focus on this one is Venezuela Park. So we cooperate with local government to set up this factory, and they pretty much focus on the manufacturing board and PCs down there. And also we got a couple of the parks down there and focus different area for research, for the manufacturing. Here I'm give you invitations for you guys. If you have opportunities, go to China and visit our company, visit our different parks. And that's Inspire's business across the world. So Inspire not only they sell the server PC, but also some software, even the LED, all the stuff. So that's the reason I'm being here, try to get in touch with the Brazil local HPC communities. Set up the cooperations, partnership. So we try to keep a long-term cooperation strategy with Brazil in HPC industry. Okay, this is Inspire HPC strategy. So first is Inspire HPC today. We will see that I'm pretty confident we are the leading HPC system vendors in China. We are continually 17 years #1 native brand server vendors. Also continue 9 years #1 native brand storage vendors as well. So I want to focus, talk about more here, is a state key laboratory. So we are the only Chinese company own the state level laboratory. So which is focused on the application development and some education. It's a good platform for, for students or for HPC experts to come here to we work together about the HPC application software development and research, and also if you want, we can supply this platform for the universities like University of São Paulo, and you can send some students and staff going there, so we can get some trainings and education regarding for the HPC. Milky Way 2, #1 computer. Supercomputer, co-developed by the NUDT, National University Defense Technology, and Inspire. The peak performance is 15.9 petaflops, and the lean pack performance we got 33.9 petaflops. They got I think 16,000 computer nodes. I think it's be very honored, for this year's ASA Supercomputer Challenge, because this supercomputer is located in the Guangzhou Supercomputer Center, and all this the university join this challenge can actually see that, not only see the machine, but also they can use this machine to do the application, do the test. So we give the, I think every university is pretty much totally is 4,000 computer nodes can run their application, can actually see that, can actually use it. So I think that's a good way to stimulate the students and to stimulate students to got the passions to, work on HPC area. So that's, now everyone know, we face the challenge from petascale to exascale. So that's the challenge. So Inspire HPC strategy, we split the three parts to deal with this challenge. It's basically, I'm pretty confident is for the HPC construction, we are on the top level of the research and development. And also next is parallel computing applications. So not only Inspire, but also Chinese government put a lot of money on that. They involved in the 12 5-year plans as the Chinese government. And also we know it's important things is like HPC talent cultivation. So this is pretty much 3 steps we will focus on to face this HPC challenge. Top level HPC development and research. So everyone knows the Milky 1 and Milky 2. I don't want to spend more words on that. So I want to pay more attention on the Sunway. This is 100% is made in China, includes the CPU. It's located in Jinan. It's a head office of Inspire and also my hometown. So I like invite you guys to come have a look. It's pretty big and amazing. This is Milky Way 2. This is a top 15 certificate, #1, and actually this is the computer blade of Milky Way 2, a Tianhe 2 we call. And this is actually this put together become the 2 node at one board. This is use a 6 Xeon Phi board and 4 CPUs. This is our HPC core strategy. As we know, the HPC's development is not only you put more processors, you put more memories. It's just like you need configuration the application like the optimization and the turning. So we split the 4 different parts. One is the system platform optimization. It's hardware turning, software turning. And we got a specific team about look after the technical architecture innovations. We work with the Intel and NVIDIA. We got a long relationship and a cooperation together with Mac trainings and GPU trainings as well. And also the main important now we are focused on, we have strong teams to look after for the algorithm innovation. You know, that's once I think it is a key to improve your HPC performance. So it's pretty hard. And for this competition, for this ASA competition, also we give an application for the students. Students can actually, you know, they done pretty cool, good, and they change some of the parameters and the codings. They make the performance very efficient. This is we talk about the one of the very self-designed application software package. We call the Sky Eyes. This one is basically can grab your current application running on the HPC hardware, can get this data and analyze the data. They can give you the result about your current, you know, architecture, your hardware architecture. It kind of give you the result about your CPU consumption and your RAM value and your network I/O. So based on that, we can set up the hardware properly to make your HPC performance better. So it's good for scientists to, you know, easily use, fast, simple, and visible. This is kind of the result get from this software. Also, we call the Class Engine is a HPC service platform. This is for this user, the 3 users is a normal user and the scientist and also administrator. It's designed for the actually the scientist. It's easy for them to use. Just click one button, submit the jobs, and watch the status of the job processor. And after that, you will get the result. And also for the administrator, they can manage the whole, you know, the whole job processors. They can watch the hardware, software status. This is the high-level talent cultivation. This is ASA 13, ASA 14, and also we work with NVIDIA and Intel for the certificate training. ASA 14th, we just finished this 14th last month, and we have 215 young geniuses from the 82 universities, covered 13 countries. São Paulo University represented Brazil to come to join this ASA 14 finals. They done pretty good. So I represented INSPA to invite more universities from Brazil to join the next year's ASA 15th. Next, HPC cases. So we are the Chinese HPC leading brand. This is a couple of the projects we done for the petroleum. We done a couple of the projects in China and even overseas. Definitely we are first choice in the petroleum HPC. Also for the university HPC centers, we cover more than half Chinese university HPC centers and the scientific institutes as well. So first choice for the scientific research. And also we have a good relationship in long-term partnership with military projects. This is another examples across meteorology, climate, oceanology, and environment. So we accumulate like over 300 projects, got lots of experience, about different applications. This is one of a project that is Tsinghua University, Earth simulation. So INSPIRE designed and integrated the whole system. Tsinghua University, as we know, is a top 1 university in China. And also they built a good relationship with São Paulo University, I think. As a cloud supercomputer, is Shanghai Jiao Tong University, and also it's the #1 supercomputer center in China, and that's a performance 216 T-flops, not bad, and that's heterogeneous architecture, CPU plus GPU and mic, and also involve the top 500. So let's introduce from the contributions inspired down to the HPC communities. So basically our roles in there is 3 different roles, HPC innovators. So we published the first mic book in China, and also we build a relationship with Intel and NVIDIA. And now we have a Superphysics team focused on heterogeneous architecture innovation. And so also for the talent cultivation, we support our Chinese team to join the ISC 12, ISC 13, and they got a good result. And also we host our own Student Supercomputer Challenges 13 and 14. This is HPC education. We supply our customers regularly the training, the workshop, and the program. So that's ISC 12 and ISC 13 and some workshops. So the Tsinghua University is a champion in the ISC 12. We sponsor and support them. That's 2013 ESA. That's the first time we hold this the Student Supercomputer Challenge. It's a 32 Chinese universities and 11 international universities. This is the recently ESC 14 Supercomputer Challenge. This is one of the applications, the Oil Explorer application, 3D EW on mic. So they done pretty good. So this is the result, and this is a different university. So the champion become the Shanghai Jiao Tong University. That second is Nanyang Technology University from Singapore. And also São Paulo University joined, and Purdue University from American joined as well. So INSPIRE HPC international strategy. We done a couple of the projects overseas. And I think one of in Saudi Arabia, and another is in the African. We built an African supercomputer center in Sudan, and also we have a project in the South American Venezuela as well. So this is one of the project. It's GME all-in-one supercomputer at Castor University, and is using INSPIRE HPC solution for the genome data process. For the overseas projects, definitely the customer worry about the after sales, the warranties, the parts, the trainings. So we supply, the on-site support, 24 hours on-site support, and on-site maintain, and technical transformation as well. So we not only build hardware and set up the machine, we are look after the customers as well. So we give you totally all-in-one solutions. And also after the finished project, we doing regularly workshop and trainings for our customer. The last one is HPC cooperation plan. So INSPIRE HPC Joint Lab, we like to work with a local company, local research institute, and a local university. Our plan is kind of 3 different parts. It's HPC talent cultivation. Probably we can supply some related course and subject, help you set up some workshops, academic program, and also, like, São Paulo University, they could send some students to down China. We supply some internship and short-term work experience, and for the HPC center management service, we supply the technical on-site support, HPC application trainings, and some trainings course. And also for the research area, we do some software development, and we do the algorithm research and the heterogeneous computing as well. So, yeah, basically, that's our international cooperation plan. And thank you.